28th. Please confirm to me. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Please check it, guys. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Guys, please check it. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Please confirm to me. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Guys, please check it. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online. Am I audible? Guys, please confirm to me. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Am I audible? Guys, please give response now. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Prashanti, are you seeing my screen? Is my screen is audible? Is my screen is visible? Okay, right, nice. Guys, now check this. In the last session, just we completed what we completed there. Atomicity property we understood there in hibernate, no? But where we have seen one example where we performed some transaction from one account to another account within the same database. Am I right or not? Within the same database, we transfer some amount from one account to another account. Am I right or not? Guys, we have seen an example to transfer some amount from one account to another account within the same database. Yes, am I right? No response, guys. Okay, but today we are going to see another example, but where we are going to transfer some amount from one account to another account, but both the accounts are not on the same database. Both the accounts would be on two different databases. Both the accounts will be on what? There, two different databases. That's my requirement. Let's see this how we are going to achieve this particular example. First of all, let me take a new others Maven project. Right, sir. Maven project here we are taking. Also carefully, Maven. Inside this Maven here, click on next button. Okay, next button. Now app 17, app 17. Click on finish button. Let it create. I think so. My internet is in slow. What happens, sir? Guys, what happened? Hmm, What happened, sir? Now let me create it once again. It's okay. Guys, and shall we try with IntelliJ IDEA? Then so for number of examples we have done there. Shall we try with IntelliJ IDEA? Yes. Think we have not seen that how to use that IntelliJ IDEA, right? Can I try with IntelliJ IDEA? No response, guys. Yeah. I think all of you might be aware about installation of the IntelliJ IDEA. Am I right? Installation of the IntelliJ IDEA we know already, right? Not required to show that installation process. Just directly download that IntelliJ IDEA and directly you can install it. So we know already that. Okay. Otherwise, I'll give one video for it so that you can identify it. Right. Now let me open my IntelliJ IDEA. Already I had that IntelliJ IDEA. Let me open it. Right. Now, first of all, here what I am telling to you. Now, let me create a location there in a D drive. Inside the D drive, hibernate is existed here. Hibernate 10. Up to now, Eclipse is available. Now, let me prepare like what there IntelliJ IDEA. A folder, IntelliJ projects. There where I want to prepare all my projects now. Alright, file, new project. Let me select my location here. What is my location here? Alright, in a Hibernate, in a D drive, in a Hibernate, IntelliJ is existed here. That is my location there. App 17 here I want to create. App 17, click on create button. Now please Java Maven. Right, now here we have to select Maven. Java Maven, that we have to select. Okay. Right, sir. Click on create button. This window only. Now it's created, guys. Pom.xml file here we required. Inside the pom.xml file here we have to provide. Java 17 version is provided here. That's okay, fine. We can use either 17 or maybe any lower version. That's okay, no problem here. Now, first of all, here what we have to provide there inside this pom.xml file. No, we need to prepare dependencies. No, inside these dependencies here we have to provide all the required dependencies here. Whatever the dependencies are available, all dependencies here we have to provide. Okay, now let us take these dependencies here. Right, now let me copy this. Here we have to provide like what there. Dependencies. Inside this we have to provide hibernate-core, then MySQL connector J. These dependencies here we have to provide. Now here external libraries here we have to observe this. Now here we can see this. Save is not sufficient. Here we have to load this. Load Maven changes. If we click on this, automatically all dependencies are going to be loaded. Now see this one with respect to this Maven, what exactly the dependencies are available. All the dependencies are provided to our external libraries. They are the dependencies, guys. Then try to understand this clearly. Now this time I required Oracle dependency also. Am I right or not? Oracle dependency is also be required here. Okay. Suggested plugin JPA configure plugins, no problem. It's okay. Accept, no problem here. It's okay, fine. Leave it. Now, guys, I understand this clearly. Now I'm going to work with two databases. I'm going to work with what there two databases. Am I right or not? I'm going to plug in. I'm going to provide what the two databases. All right, so two databases in the sense like what the Oracle and MySQL. But here, what is then which dependency is provided here? No, MySQL dependency is available. That's okay. But Oracle dependency is required or not? Guys, all of you understand it. Oracle dependency is required or not? From where I'm able to get this Oracle dependency? Oracle driver dependency is not available in the central repository. Oracle dependency is available in the same local machine. In the same local machine, we have to get that Oracle dependency. So go for that local repository. C drive, inside the C drive, we have to go for users, administrators, now get M2, inside this repository. Inside this, there we have to go for like what there, Oracle, JDBC or OJDBC 18.4. Now here, this is existed here. Here pom.xml file, form is available, form file is available. Open in edit plus or in anything, whatever it may be. Just we have to get like what there, these two things. These two things here we have to copy. Copy. Now let's go for this. Here I'm going to prepare like what there. One more dependency here I have to prepare there. Dependency. Of course, group ID. Then these things are not required already. We got copy from our local repository. That's it, guys. The other things here we provided there. So now here what we required here. Oracle is not existed here. MySQL is available, but let me load this maven changes. No, then automatically here we are getting like what there. Oracle also here we are getting. Now see this one. This is not existed previously. Now it is existed clearly. Right, guys. So both the databases are available. That's okay, fine now. Now let me prepare both the databases here now. Okay, right, understand this clearly. Database are okay. Now let me check my databases there. Two databases here I required there. One is MySQL, another one is Oracle. Now here Oracle is existed here, but now description account is required. Account number, account holder name, account type, and balance. That's okay, fine. In MySQL also I required Oracle now. Show tables. Account is required here. Now description account. It also the same thing. Account number, account holder name, account type, and balance. Both the things are existed, guys. Guys, alright. Now this is an example. Right, sir. Now tell me inside this, then what we required here. Pom.xml file is okay. That work is completed. Next one is what there. I think so. I need to refactor this, rename com dot Durgasoft. Right, sir. That's okay, fine. Next one is like what we have to do there after this. First of all, here, let me prepare model component. Model component is nothing but what there beans. Right click on it and a new package. Here I need to prepare a package. Here we have to provide like what there com.durgasoft.beans. Beans. Inside these beans now, here we have to prepare like what there. A class here we have to prepare. What is the class here we have to take there? Java class. Class is like what there? Account class. Here we have to prepare. Okay. Now inside this account class, what we have to take there? At the rate entity at the rate table, then where what we have to do there, name is equal to, here we have to provide the table name is like what there, account. Now let me take some properties here. Private string account number, account holder name, private account type, private int balance, generate, or else F4, generate, getters and setters, and select all. Okay button. Okay, right sir. Setters and getters here we are getting there. Now here we are getting it. Now here we need to provide something else like what there at the rate ID at the rate column of name is equal to, then what is the column here? ACCNO. Account folder name, account type, balance. Right sir. This is what we provided here. Clearly you can understand now. Annotations here we are using, that's okay fine. Next one is here I need to use like what there mapping file, configuration file. Right click on resources, no new XML file. XML file in the sense just we have to take like what their file. Hibernate dot. Now here two configuration files here we have to prepare guys. What two configuration files here we have to prepare there? One is for what there Oracle, another one is for what there MySQL. So Hibernate hyphen Oracle hyphen, or maybe Hibernate hyphen Oracle config dot hvm dot xml. Hibernate hyphen Oracle config dot hvm dot xml. This is Oracle related. Okay. Now inside this what we required here. Right. Now here we need to provide something else like what there XSD here we have to provide. Already we have that XSD. Right sir, XSD we have to get it. Project. Now here we have to go for like what there action libraries hibernate hyphen core. Open it arg.hibernate. There inside this arg.hibernate here what we are able to provide there at the end. Arg.hibernate It is available, sir. Yeah, here we are getting them. We can see this. Now configuration file here we have to get. Doc type definitions are registered here. Now let us get copy them. Right. Here we provided this. Next one is like what there. Here we have to provide like what there hibernate configuration. Now inside this session factory here we have to get. Now inside this session factory here we have to get property. Now the property is like what there hibernate dot connection dot driver underscore class. Now this is Oracle actually. So here we need to provide Oracle configurations. Oracle dot jdbc dot what next one here Oracle driver. Right now this is the content here we can understand now. Okay. Similarly here we require number of properties there. Now let me copy this. Right. Oracle dot connection dot hibernate connection dot URL. What is the URL here we have to provide there jdbc colon. Then what we have to provide there Oracle colon sin colon at the rate localhost colon 1521 colon xe. Now the next one is like what there username system username is okay. Password is like what there Durga. Property name is equal to hibernate dot dialect org dot hibernate dot dialect dot. What's the driver or the class name is available Oracle dialect. Right. This we are using the Oracle dialect. Simple. Right. So now here I want to provide like what there one more property. Property name is what there hibernate dot show SQL true. Right. This is about like what there Oracle related Oracle configurations. I have a configuration file for Oracle and mapping resources here we have to provide mapping class is equal to com dot Durga software dot beans dot then what next one can account. Next one is after that under these resources I'm going to prepare another one file name is like what there hibernate hyphen mysql config dot hbm dot xml. Same thing here we have to provide no then inside this then what we have to do there observe carefully. Now hibernate connection at driver class MySQL related things here we have to provide. Right. Now URL should be different here. What's that URL? No? jdbc colon mysql colon slash s localhost 3306 slash DurgaDB. Database username is like what their root, and database password is like what their root again. Right, so dialect should be like what their MySQL dialect. Everything is okay, fine. Now this is like what their configuration file. Then after preparing this configuration file, then what next one here we have to do there? What next one here we have to do there? We have to prepare like what their main application. This is about our main application here. Now here inside this main application here we have to do like what there. All right, sir. Try and catch here we required now. Okay. Now let's understand this clearly. Now here, then as you are going to connect with two databases now here two objects here we have to create. What two objects here we have to create there? Two standard registry objects here we have to create. Okay, now try to understand clearly. Now, here we have to create like what there? First of all, two configuration objects here we have to create. Okay, now let us see this one. Session factory. This is like what there? Session factory underscore Oracle is equal to null. MySQL also here we provided. Okay, now here we are going to prepare two session objects. What are the two session objects here we have to create there? Right, now two session objects here we created. Now inside these, then first of all here what we have to prepare there? Configurations. Two configuration objects here we have to create there. Configurations. Configuration is equal to, this is like what I'm telling there, Oracle. New configuration object here we created. Now what we have to do there? Here we have to provide like what there? Hibernate hyphen Oracle config.xml. Right. Here we have to prepare like this. MySQL config. So overall two configuration objects here we created. Next one is two standard service registry objects here we have to create. Okay. What are the two standard service registry objects here we have to create there? Standard service registry SSR Oracle is equal to standard service registry builder dot builder dot apply settings map. Okay, now get right. Now this is for what there standard service registry for Oracle. Right, sir. Standard service registry we created even for what there MySQL. Now session factory for Oracle, session factory for MySQL. Build a session factory of SSR underscore Oracle. Session factory. This is not like what session factory. Oracle. Right. Similarly, here what we are able to provide there. Session factory MySQL. Now here we have to get two objects, no? Then two session objects here we have to get. Session underscore Oracle is equal to session factory Oracle dot open session. Right, sir. Now both the session objects here we are getting there. Observe carefully. When we are getting these session objects, then what next one here we are doing there. Right. Sir. Now here we have to perform our transaction here now. So we need to get transaction objects clearly. But transactions here we have to declare outside here. Right. So two transaction objects here we created here. Now let me create like what the transaction objects no. Oracle is equal to session dot Oracle dot begin transaction. Right, sir. First of all, let us get the data from both the databases on the basis of the primary key values. Okay. Now let us check this clearly. Select the data star from account. ABC123 is available in Oracle. In MySQL, what is available here? Here two things are available inside the MySQL. No, both are registered here. In Oracle, what is available? ABC123 15,000. All right, sir. Now in MySQL, like what is available? XYZ123. In my Oracle database, what I have there? ABC123. But here ABC123 is not required. Unless you make it confusion. Right. XYZ123 is available. I want to transfer some amount from ABC123 to XYZ123. That's my requirement here. Then here, what I have to do there? Right. First of all, let us get the data from both the databases. To get the data now, here this is like what there. Sender account here we are getting there. Session Oracle dot get off ABC123. We are getting it. Now here we have to perform something else like what there. Some updation here we have to perform there. What is that updation here we have to perform there now? This is debit operation here we are saying that. Okay. Now similarly, receiver account is equal to session factory MySQL dot get off account dot class comma XYZ123. Alright, so now here both the data here we are getting there. Now here we need to perform credit operation inside this. Okay, now receiver dot right, sir. How many members here we are getting there now? That means what next one here? Receiver account dot receiver account dot set balance get balance plus 5,000. Right. Now in both the cases here we are performing updations. No, simply here we have to perform like what is the update operation here we have to do now. Right. Now further purpose here, what we have to do there, like session Oracle dot update of sender account session MySQL dot update of receiver account. Both the updations are performed here. Whenever we are performing both the updations, no, simply here we have to, if it is performed here, then here we have to go for like what, no, we have to perform commit operation in both the cases. Commit operation here we have to perform in both the cases. So here what we have to do there, transaction underscore Oracle dot commit commit. If any problem is coming there, here I can check this. Transaction success. In the case in catch block, no, if any problems are coming there, roll back, rollback operations, transaction failure. Right. This is the overall application here we prepared here. Now at finally, session Oracle dot close, session MySQL dot close. Right. This we are getting there clearly. Then whenever we are getting this particular one, then what next one here we have to do there. That's okay, fine. This is completed. Alright, so now here we have to execute the program where we have to check in both the databases now, if I run this program here. But now tell me, before executing the program here in Oracle, 15,000 is available, in MySQL 20,000 is existed. Let's check this clear what we are able to get. No, it's data is not is the problem. hvm.xml, hvm.xml. Right, anyway, here we are getting transaction success. All the things here are performed here. Selecting the data and updating the data and transfer success. Initially 15,000, now it is 10,000. Initially 20,000, now it is what is it? 25,000. Right, now, for example, this time, whenever we are trying to perform these two concepts here, we have an exception here. We have an exception. 100 divided by 0, semicolon. Alright, so now let us check this. As per the rollback operation, 10,000 as it is available, no changes here. Here also be no changes, 25,000 is exists. That's it now. This is a way to interact with multiple databases from single hibernate application, at the same time transaction, transfer amount from one account to another account, which may be available in the same account and exist in what are the two different accounts here, two different databases, no, two different banks. This is an example here we can identify. Okay, right guys, now that's all for today. Then tomorrow we'll continue the isolation levels. Adamicity property is completed and the isolation level is tomorrow I'm going to start now. Right, thank you guys, thanks a lot. We'll see the remaining part in tomorrow.